Hi, everyone. I'm David Kaspersik from the Momentum Engineering team working on the mobile apps. And I want to tell you today about our new 1.2 release that released recently, was posted on Android and Apple app stores. This is a fantastic new release showing off some cool new features, PowerSense, and some parity with the web app, especially around asset history. So let's dive in. First and foremost, the most interesting thing that you will start to see is the new PowerSense icons showing up both in our list view for our assets, the little green dot over there in the corner, and also on the dig cards, the carousel cards, is a kind of status of PowerSense. So what is PowerSense, you might be asking? PowerSense is a fantastic new way for you to track your auxiliary equipment on your vehicles, whether one of your tools has been on or in use during and throughout the day, and you have fantastic new data to keep track of how those tools are being used on your vehicles. And where you will see that is on your diagnostics. You will be able to see PowerSense, how long you've been on through the day. We additionally have added a new statistics graph for PowerSense. I have no actual data on this test asset of mine, but you will be able to monitor your PowerSense usage throughout the previous week, be able to have the data right there in your hands. Additionally, what you will find in going to an assets details is a reworked details page for both trips, asset notifications, and yes, history. History has made it away from web and into mobile. This is a really nice quality of life improvement. Trips are working exactly as you are used to. Your current trip, if you have an active one, will show up on that screen. Notifications are accessible, obviously, at the bottom notifications tab, but you can actually dig into an asset's individual notifications now. And let's talk history. So I'm actually going to show a live demo on my machine over here. Oh, sorry for my hand. We now have live asset history within the apps, both Android and iOS. All of your history activity events are neatly organized in our little list. So we can see here for my sample asset moving, where we lost some GPS signal, where it parked, and you have basically the route that the asset took throughout the day, as well as where those primary events occurred. Again, if you have a bunch, you can kind of click on the map and see which individual historical event occurred at that time. Or you can select through the list, and as you move along, it will select and refocus the map to show you where that event occurred. This is parity with what the web has been doing. So now you don't have to run over to your laptop. You can pull out your phone and catch right up on what your assets have been up to while you were busy throughout the day. Lastly, to go with the monitors for PowerSense, we have added a new monitor type. So when you have PowerSense enabled for your account, you will be able to activate a PowerSense monitor. There, we can see it right there. There we go. There's the good lighting. And if I go ahead and pop into it, you'll see that very much kind of like geofences, you can toggle when a notification when PowerSense is turned on, or PowerSense turns off, or both. So, I can go in here and say, hi, momentum users. Name my new monitor all fancy, and I am going to assign this to all of my assets. And then by default, again, push notifications should be coming right to your device. This makes monitors so much more useful to be able to get a nice little buzz in your pocket when something is important enough to notify you. And then I can simply create my monitor, and there we are. So we have our high momentum users new monitor that I've just created. Again, same edit capability if you need to tweak a setting. all of that maintains the behaviors we had in the 1.1 versions of the app. With that, we have a number of new features in the pipeline. So I'm sure I'll be talking to you again soon to talk about them. But please go and update your apps to the latest 1.2 version. And we look forward to your feedback and letting us know what else you'd love to see added in. Have a fantastic day.